You snap a 4K video on your iPhone, walk over to your Mac, and it's already sitting there on your desktop. It feels instant, effortless, and entirely invisible. But it wasn't always this way. 20 years ago, your digital life was bolted to a desk. Every song, photo, and document lived inside a specific physical hard drive that sat in your house. If Apple actually built iCloud to work like a constant real-time wireless cable between your modern devices, it would be a disaster. Instantly beaming huge 4K files over the air would chew through your monthly data cap in hours and drain your phone's battery by lunch. iCloud operates as a system-governed intelligence, a centralized digital brain that actively manages how and when your data moves across the network. To see how this invisible engineering protects your phone's resources, we need to slow down time and trace the hidden journey of a single file from the moment you hit the shutter to the moment it hits the cloud. Instead of blindly forcing uploads the second a file is created, iOS relies on a hierarchy of complex sync triggers. These are intelligent rules that dictate when a file is allowed to leave your device. Take the network transition trigger. The system actively monitors your connection, deliberately pausing heavy uploads while you're walking around on cellular data and waiting until it detects a stable, fast Wi-Fi network to move the files. For massive jobs like backing up thousands of photos, the system uses an opportunistic background trigger. It applies machine learning to wait until you are asleep and the phone is plugged into power to do the heavy lifting. This managed approach ensures that your phone stays cool and your battery stays charged. It prioritizes the immediate physical state of your hardware over the need for instantaneous data propagation. Once the data is in the cloud, we run into a mathematical problem. Millions of people carry a 2-terabyte photo library on an iPhone that only holds 128 gigabytes. This image shows the iCloud storage distribution bar, which reveals how Apple solves this problem. Through a feature called Optimized Storage, the system creates tiered data residency, pushing the vast majority of your heavy files entirely off your device. Here is the physical mechanic at work. The massive, high-resolution original file is permanently housed in Apple's data centers. Meanwhile, a tiny, space-saving preview thumbnail is left behind on your phone's local storage. The heavy original file stays securely off-site until the exact millisecond you tap to zoom in or try to edit the photo. Only then does the system instantly pull the full-resolution data down from the cloud. Tiered residency makes the smartphone a viewport, allowing a 128-gigabyte device to navigate a multi-terabyte library as if it were stored locally. Of course, the moment your data leaves the physical safety of your device and travels across the open internet, it becomes vulnerable to interception. To secure this transit, Apple uses advanced data protection. This establishes end-to-end encryption, meaning the data is scrambled before it leaves your phone, and the only items holding the decryption keys are your specific physical Apple devices. This iCloud Private Relay settings image highlights a secondary shield. It explicitly states no one, including Apple, can see who you are or what sites you visit. Acting as a digital blindfold, it routes traffic through secure relays to mask your IP address. Integrating these protocols directly into the architecture creates a structural mathematical constraint, one where your personal data remains inaccessible to anyone without your physical device keys. By combining managed sync, tiered residency, and encryption, Apple decouples your data from any single piece of hardware. Your digital life becomes persistent and mobile, existing independently of the glass and metal in your hand. See the strength of this architecture in a worst-case scenario. Imagine your grip slips and your phone sinks to the bottom of a deep lake. You haven't actually lost anything, except a piece of hardware. You simply buy a replacement, sign into your Apple account, and watch your entire digital world repopulate exactly as you left it. Compare that to the release of the original iPhone. Back then, losing the device meant losing your photos, contacts, and memories. The true achievement of this architecture is its transparency. It handles the immense technical load of server coordination and cryptographic handshakes in the background, allowing the system to function with the same ease as a local file. Technology should always work on your terms. If you want to keep learning how your devices actually operate under the hood, hit subscribe to Refreshing Tech, and we'll see you in the next video.